Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.
Kuwetaano omuntu biki si birungi naye we twabijjawo ne tuorganizinga tusuubira nti awo tukafunemu obuzibu naye tugenda kyandolinga Mulangira Ssuuna ajja kuddamu mu bulabe ekitegeera naye nga siri guilty. Njagala okutwala omukisa guno gwennyini okwebaza kooti, okwebaza ababulooga bange mwonna, bannamawulire, Kasuku, mwebale kujja kubeerawo. Nze ndi law abiding citizen era mpulira bulungi bandimandinze paka banamproducing enkya. That's how country moves. Ebale nnyo Honorable Muhammad Kisereko once again okumbeererawo mu very hard times. Era omuntu akujjayo mu kkomera yabira omuntu akoze ki asinze. Abavubuka mwenna mukyuke tudde mu digital marketing kuba bali abaagala ebyokuvuma batuteeke mu buzibu nabo weebali. Kati wetubeera organized tuba tujjewo business naye nga kati mujje Bukoto ku kibiina kyaffe kigenda kuddukanyizibwa bulungi. Tulina leadership newe mbasiriwo. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala.
Kati luva wano dda wasse.
Musibe yamanyi gyadda ssebo
babuloga mbeetaagamu
basooke baveewayo ne bakansu.
There are two charges against you. The first one is that's one of offensive communication. And this is the section 5 of the police. The services acts. These are the pictures of offense. It is right that you to Sura alias this man is Kawaria is a customer screen, Moko Brand Credit, and the Apollo Williams. I can say, focus. This was 2021 that you used electronic communication at Sanika Chisi for the next media services limited here in Kampala. That willfully and repeatedly that he made statements about Suna Emmanuel that God said that he has no money, that his only asset are a few pairs of shoes, that is among unlucky positions, that he fails at everything, maybe he's haunted by ancestral spirits because he practices sin. He is so much into witchcraft and he gets money from what you make. In brief, it's like that alone a jobless, educated person. That everyone knows that he has bad luck, that he practices witchcraft, that his shows cannot exceed 2,000. This was that these statements disturbed the peace, quiet, right or privacy of the said Emmanuel Suna Abusha. And the statements were made with no purpose for the movement communication. That's the charge, the first charge against you. Okay, that's charge.
Yes, I did understand the charge.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
The plea of not guilty entered for count one.
A second charge is that of criminal libel. And this is going to section 179 and 180 of the Penal Code Act. These are the particulars of the offense. It is alleged that you just were like in areas, yes, my Texas. Our area is a person areas case. Wako Brian Kennedy and Macaulay Williams. That on 27th day of August 2021, that while at San Castle Division, this is Next Media Services Limited, here in Kampala District, that you unlawfully published a defamatory matter to which he was. He has no money. Mlangira Sona is among the under people. Mlangira Sona is among the under musicians. He claims at everything. Maybe he is haunted by ancestral spirits. If he is haunted by ancestral spirits, maybe because he practices ceremony. He's so much in witchcraft. So what Mlangira has to do is to empty those silly tricks. Those are musicians who are dropping money from old women. In brief, it is like that of a jobless, educated person. They produce kids because the woman is with and her kids are adults. Everyone knows that you are bad luck. It is not Sona alone. There are many musicians who are surviving by the power of man. That's why you will see him converting to Islam today. The other day, he is in witchcraft. Let him ask for consent from his wife and impregnated her. He cannot get such proceeds because they pay only 2,000 Ghana shillings or 3,000 Ghana shillings for Sona's shows. Those are reports. Concerning Sona, Emmanuel Ablusha Court with intent to expose hatred, contempt, or likely to damage his profession or his reputation. That is secretary against. Have you ever said that child?
Yes.
I'm agree.
Not guilty.
The plea of not guilty entered for count two.
Your worship, proposal of 500 Your worship, element is presented by council itself and council has spoken Your worship, the fire is this case as 0 problem. We pray for confirmation.
Worship. For the record once again, my name is Muhammad Nsereko, counsel for the accused, appearing alongside Mr. Kasiko, Counsel Kasiko Ibrahim. I take cognizance of the plea and the jurisdiction of this honorable court, and your worship, if you may be pleased, we'd like to go ahead and apply for bail for our client. Your Worship, it is true that these charges have been brought against our client in this honorable court, though it is unfair for the state to come and claim that inquiries are still ongoing. It is against Article 28(3) of the Constitution.
Excuse me. I'll fix the data protection for the Troy Magistrate. It's in personal conduct of his file. That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the 5th of October.
Most obliged, Your Worship. In you, does that mean, Your Worship, that my client shall be produced tomorrow?
That will be produced tomorrow and is remanded after tomorrow for bail application and calamation of the case.
Most obliged, Your Honor. We take that in good faith.
Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabi ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.